Hey there, resellers. Today I have a very fun, always interesting, crazy keywords video for you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I've been doing this series for quite some time now. It is so fun and interesting to learn new keywords from the buyer perspective. So as resellers, we need to know lots of fashion terminology. What's a shift dress? What's a peplum? What's a cap sleeve? All these things. But sometimes buyers have no idea what that stuff is. They're just regular people, and so they just call it what they think it is. And so we need to have those keywords too, because you want to be able to sell to those people too. So this exercise, like I said, I've been doing them for quite some time. I have a playlist. Check them all out, because each time we do this video, we learn new keywords that buyers are actually searching for. So listen up, stay through till the end. So I'm going to show you how to find this so you could do this research yourself, but then you can always just play these videos of mine, listen to me while you're doing other stuff, and you can learn other keywords too, and you don't have to spend the time doing the research. So if you go to any listing, so you can click onto a listing from your closet, you can click on a listing from the feed, you can click on a listing from the search. It doesn't matter where, and I'm pretty sure it's only on the computer, not on the phone. So you click on any listing, and you scroll down, and you scroll down, and underneath it will say people also searched for. And these are other searches that people are actually putting in, and it is very interesting what people are putting up. So this one says Zara tribal sweater. Tribal is a good keyword. People use it. It is something that if it fits that criteria, you want to put it. This one is, I forget. So some of them are just normal keywords, and some of them I kept up for a reason. So keyhole is a good one, vintage sweater, poncho, collared sweater. These are all good things, mock turtleneck. But the one that I put here that often comes up, and that's why I keep it in every single video, is long. Long, L-O-N-G. So Zara long sweater. So you could have put this up as a cardigan, as long line, all one word, as a duster, or other kinds of things. People don't know maybe to search maxi dress. They search long dress. So long, put in there. If you're saying maxi, put long in there as well, because there are people that are searching for it. This one comes up quite a few times, and so I think it's important too, but there's also another one here. So Zara bow skirt, if it has a bow, I'm pretty sure you're putting bow because you're describing the details of the item, so that's important, but people are just literally searching bow skirt. Then there's summer skirt, which I find interesting. You should be putting spring or summer for spring and summer kind of dresses. And then winter for like wintry items, winter sweater, winter coat, winter jacket, because people will search by the season. Then the one that I was really looking for is Zara beach skirt. So I'm assuming that this is something that would maybe be long, flowy, maxi, maybe pleated, boho, like those kinds of types of things. That's not what I'm assuming someone would be looking for if they're saying a beach skirt. But remembering to put where they would wear this. What is the occasion that they would wear this? Also, look at this one. I didn't even notice this before. Zara fancy skirt. So if you had something that was silky, sequined, formal, satin, you might put formal skirt because it's more dressy. You might even put the word dressy, but somebody is saying fancy. I want a fancy skirt. And so they don't have all the other words in their vocabulary. They just know fancy. So if you put fancy, you will come up. If you don't put fancy, you're not coming up in that person's search. Casual is always a good one. I just did an Instagram post about this a little while ago. Casual, people search it. Casual dress, casual skirt. Casual is important to add when it fits. Also here, trouser pants. So I don't really know what is the difference between trousers and pants. I don't know. And I don't actually care. I feel like most people, sometimes they call them trousers. Sometimes they call them slacks. Sometimes they call them pants. Sometimes they'll have other words to describe the kind of pants they are. The point is you want to sell to all the people that are possibly looking for your item, and it doesn't mean they have to be right with their keyword. So they may not be trousers, but if that person thinks trousers, then you don't come up because you didn't put it, even though it's not technically trousers, but that person was looking for your item. So it's a fine line. I'm not saying keyword stuff, but I am saying think of the family of words that apply to your item. Next, I think this was just to reiterate, okay, here, summer skirt. So this is Athleta, so summer skirt. So it goes off of what the item is. So like this is an Athleta skirt. So the people also searched for are gonna be related to the item that you've clicked on. So that's why I tried to click on a bunch of different things from my closet just to see what would come up. But again, you could do this with any listing from anywhere on Poshmark. So summer skirt, work skirt, wrap skirt, beach skirt, casual skirt, all these things that we've already talked about, maxi skirt, tennis skirt, running skirt. So if you have an Athleta, I would call it an athletic skirt, right? But then it could also be a summer skirt. It could also be a beach skirt. It could also be floral. It could be a tennis or running skirt. So do I think that this is, and this isn't a skirt, but some of them are skirts. Yeah, this one's not a skirt. So some of them are skirt. This is an actual skirt. But so if it were a skirt, you would have all of those athletic words to add to it. So all I'm saying is just keep in mind what people are looking for and searching for. This one was from a bathing suit, and I thought it was interesting. It came up strappy front, tee back, bikini pink. So this person is very specific in what they want. They want it to be strappy in the front, they want a tee back, they want a bikini, and they want it pink. That was a highly specific search. But I don't usually think of strappy for bathing suits. I think of strappy for sandals. And so that was a good one for me because I'm like, if I have a bathing suit that has that, caged lattice kind of strappy look, then you can say strappy also for a bathing suit, which that did not occur to me normally. This one, Zara biker trousers. I don't know what biker trousers are. I know what biker shorts are. What are biker trousers? So these are all good things to see what people are searching for. Also, bubble dress. What is a bubble dress? I'm assuming it's, puffy, and so I get it. Would that come to me as a terminology if I had a dress that looked like that and with like a big bubbly kind of skirt? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But bubble dress I thought was interesting. Here we go again. Zara beach dress. Like I feel like I need to go through my Zara items and add beach to a lot of my listings because it's coming up often. Beach. Interesting. Then I pulled up one of my McDougal dresses because I have a lot of formal dresses, and so I like to know what kind of keywords people are searching for the formal wear. So I don't know why, I don't think that this one is plus size. No, it's a size 2. So I don't know why the plus size stuff keeps presenting itself here, but bridesmaid, that makes sense. Homecoming, evening dress. So those I thought were very good. I actually happen to have all of those in my listing already because I did a really in-depth deep dive keyword search to make a keyword list specifically for these McDougals because I have so many of them. But if you sell, I sell a lot of Zara. So if I wanted to make a keyword list that kind of spoke to a lot of my Zara items, I could have that prepped as a template. The formal dresses. Maybe you sell a lot of athletic wear, so you want to have those athletic keywords, running, hiking, tennis, blah, blah, blah. So this is a good exercise to just know keywords to add to your listings, but if you sell a lot of the same kind of thing, you may want to make a little template for yourself. Ripped jeans, I think, is always a good one because you have ripped over here. Then I've seen distressed, which we all know. And then I've even seen destroyed. And then there's whiskering. And there's like lots of things that you can put when there's distressing on jeans. And so keep in mind that people will say different things. Then the other one that I thought was interesting was waxed jeans. And so typically I would say coated. I don't know that I've ever put waxed. I don't know that I have many of these, but I have had them in the past, and I have put coated but I never put waxed. So I thought that was a good keyword as well, and just interesting to kind of show what buyers are saying. This one is just a weird one. So sometimes Poshmark in the people also searched section will have just like these searches, and it's like, are these Google searches? Are these people searching this on Poshmark? Like, it doesn't make sense. Dress, summer collection, summer style dresses, summer dresses New Zealand, best dresses for a summer wedding, busty summer dress, that's interesting. So easy summer dress, summer gala dress, summer dresses, celebrities, bright pink summer dress, dress of summer. So like, some of these make sense, and some of them are weird searches. I don't know why they're here. But again, you're in the buyer's perspective. So whether they were searching on Poshmark or they were searching on Google, I guess it doesn't really matter. But busty, someone who's top heavy, is looking for something that's going to make it work for her. So that's something that you may want to bring attention to. Do you want to say busty in your listing? I don't know, but somebody's searching for it, so it's a thought. Summer gala, that's interesting. So this is just a great exercise to kind of open up your mind and see what we can find. I'm trying to remember. So for juniors, I thought was interesting. If you sell juniors, I don't really sell juniors, but those are those, 1, 3, 5 kind of sizes. You would want to maybe put that as a keyword in your listing. The other one I thought was black and see-through white dress. Now, that's awkward, but see-through. One would put sheer, semi-sheer, but they don't know sheer, obviously. They're saying see-through. And so if you have something that's sheer, you may want to write sheer, comma, see-through, so that you can then come up in this person's search that's not searching sheer, but clearly she means the same thing. I think that was the only one on this one with lace sleeves. Yeah. So that, I think that's enough for today. The trick with this is that you could literally spend hours researching these keywords and learning about what buyers are searching for, how they're verbalizing it, and what those searches are, so that you can really be a cut above the rest and get into these searches, because that will set you apart. You might come up with only a few results perhaps, and then you have a better chance of selling your item. So I think it's just good all around. So like I say, I have a whole playlist. Put me on, shuffle all, listen to all the crazy keywords videos in the playlist while you're doing your work, and just kind of like half listen and look for these keywords that you can then add to your listings as it makes sense. I hope that you like this. Let me know what you thought of some of these keywords, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.